Hello, my name is Dismita Wulandari, and here I will provide information about China dark factors AI replacing humans faster than ever. Imagine factory running 24/7, machines assembling products in complete darkness without single human worker inside. This is science fiction. This is the rise of China's dark factories, a new era of AI-powered automation that is reshaping manufacturing and eliminating human labor at an unprecedented scale. Dark factories also leaks out manufacturing are fully automated production facilities that require little to no human intervention. These factories operate in the dark because robots don't need light to work. They function sterilely, assembling products with precision and efficiency that no human workforce could match. China, in the world largest manufacturing hub, is spearheading this movement. The Chinese government has been aggressively investing in AI, robotics, and industrial automation to boost efficiency, reduce labor costs, and remain competitive in global production. With a growing labor shortage and rising wages, automation has become the ultimate solution. At the core of dark factories is artificial intelligence. AI-powered functions may analyze data, optimize production lines, and even perform self-maintenance. Robotics equipped with machine learning are capable of assembling interesting electronic components, manufacturing phases, and packaging goods at a rate no human team could sustain. But fixed a factory evolved the questions arise: what happens to human workers? In many Chinese factories that once employed thousands are now being replaced by AI-driven automation. Jobs in manufacturing are disappearing, shifting towards machine maintenance, software engineering, and logistics management. While AI automation increases productivity and lowers costs, it also raises concerns about mass unemployment and the potential implications of a workforce driven by machines. Will humans be left behind, or will new industries emerge to accommodate this shift? China is alone in this automation race. Countries like Japan, Germany, and United States are rapidly developing their own smart factories. The competition to dominate AI-driven manufacturing is intensifying, with global economies racing to integrate AI, robotics, and automation into their production system. With AI improving at an exponential rate, factories of the future may be fully autonomous, requiring minimal human oversight. This shift could redefine supply chains, reshape economies, and push up toward world where machines handle nearly all aspects of production. The rise of the tech factories signal a monumental shift in how we build, produce, and innovate. But with every advance, we must ask ourselves, what role will humans play in an AI-driven